Welcome to Leadership 101. My name is Sandy Lynn. I'll be your adjunct professor. I'm very glad that you have decided to take this course, and I'm looking forward to going on this journey with you. We will use this book as our main textbook. It's The Leadership Experience by Richard Daft. I'm sure you've received an email listing the required books for this course, and I know we will enjoy learning. We're going to study leadership, the various theories and styles. You'll take personality tests so you get to know yourself a little bit better. It's real important to understand yourself and be self-aware to be a good leader. We will study a critical part of leadership, which is called emotional intelligence. That's where the self-awareness comes in. I just want to tell you a little bit more about myself. I have also been an online student. I know what it is to be on the other side of the screen, and just so you know, I understand. We have 3 kids. I've been married to my husband, who's a pastor, and we've been involved in full-time ministry for almost 30 years. So a lot of my leadership experience has been in churches and organizations around the church. I also homeschool my children. I have 2 in college and 1 still in high school. So I've been very involved in various organizations with homeschooling as well. I am happy to be on this journey with you. I look forward to helping you and being available to you. I've sent out an announcement with my contact information. I'm just a phone call or a text away. I am your biggest supporter. I'm your advocate. I'm here for you. We can do this together, and I'm really looking forward to it. Make sure to reach out if you have any questions, and follow the instructions on any of the announcements that we make. And thank you for joining. Goodbye.